everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for a fun new review. KeriKit sent over their gorgeous amber midi backpack for me to share with you guys, and I've just gotta say, I am a huge fan of this bag. It is just the perfect size for me, and it's made out of this gorgeous soft leather and it smells incredible. If you're new to KeriKit, they are a UK-based brand that specializes in gorgeous leather bags that can be used as diaper bags, work bags, and for travel. And I have the amber midi here in the tan leather color, but this bag actually comes in a variety of colors and they're all gorgeous. The amber midi is actually a smaller version of their amber backpack, which I also would love to try at some point. So before I jump into the packing portion of this video, I want to talk about some of the great features of this bag. So let's start with the outside. As you guys saw in the first part of this video, this is a mid-sized bag and you can wear it a few different ways. Its intended way to wear is as a backpack, which as you guys know, I'm obsessed with backpacks. I love them. But what I also love is that because of the D-rings, you can use it also as a messenger style bag or over the shoulder if you want as well. All you need to make that happen is a messenger strap, which KeriKit does offer on their website. So the size of this bag is relatively small, but I love it. It is just the perfect size for me. The bottom of the bag from here to here measures at about 10 inches. It is about 6 inches wide at the bottom. And from the bottom to the top of the back here, it's 12 inches tall. And I know those sound like really small numbers. It's actually, for me, it's like just the right size. I love it. It's perfect for minimalists as a diaper bag, perfect for travel too, especially with the way the back is set up, and I can't wait to show you guys that. I've actually been using this bag for about a week now. I've been using it as a backpack for myself and also packed up for my son who is 4. He is in preschool 2 days out of the week now, but when he is with me, I am definitely taking out the amber midi. It's super functional for me, and I just love the way it packs. So let's go ahead and get started on the outside of the bag. First, you will just notice how absolutely adorable this bag is. When I saw it on the website, I had to have this one because it is just so cute. It's totally my taste. I just love it. So in the front here, you'll see that you have a double zipper flap opening on the top of the bag. Now, normally I am not a fan of flap type bags, but this one is very easy for me to access everything in. You also have 2 insulated pockets on the outside of the bag that have double zipper openings. You have one on this side and one over here as well. They are relatively short pockets, but as you can see on this side here, I have a cup just poking out the top. You zip around just close to the top of the bottle and it keeps it very secure. I'm not worried about it falling out or anything like that. It's been working great for me. So these bottle pockets can actually fit like 2 skinny baby bottles. So you can definitely use this bag as a diaper bag. If you're a minimalist like me, you can make it work. You also have these 2 D-rings on each side, as I mentioned before. You can hook a messenger strap onto this. You can also hook on some stroller clips and use the stroller clips to hook onto your stroller or onto a shopping cart. And this bag works fabulously on strollers because of the way it opens. You also have this really nice sized pocket in the front here. This is the perfect place to keep your things that you need easy access to quickly. I'm looking forward to going through this pocket with you guys because it has some great features on the inside. You'll also notice that on the side here, I have this absolutely beautiful long leather tassel that KeriKit offers. It has their little logo right here. It also comes with a personalized tag. It has my name on there in metallic gold. So pretty. It just says Kate. But on the other side, this is great for travel, so you can put your information here just in case your bag happens to get lost, which hopefully that never happens. And then you have this gorgeous KeriKit piece here as well. It's very pretty. I really love this piece. This is sold separately. So when you purchase your bag, all you have to do, I think it's like $10 or something, but that's just all you have to add on to get that. On the top here, you have this very nice grab handle that has a pretty good little drop length to it. This is the perfect way to grab your bag in and out of your vehicle. It feels very sturdy. I love it. Let's go ahead to the back. You actually have quite a bit going on back here. You have these really, really nice padded leather straps that are very pretty and very comfortable. I've been really enjoying wearing this bag. They're also very adjustable, so if you're taller, then you have, for me at least, this is how I have it set up, but you have plenty of slack here to extend it. And I'm 5'2", so I'm pretty petite, and this is about where I have it, and it fits perfectly. So let's go ahead onto the back here. On the very back here, you actually have these 2 really great straps This is why I said this bag is perfect for travel, because you can just hook these two straps over your suitcase and it sits right on top of your suitcase so that you can be a little bit more hands-free when you're traveling. You also have two hidden zippered pockets that I just think are the coolest. You have a long one here, which has a bunch of room in it. It actually goes all the way across the whole back of the bag. And then on top of that one, you have another smaller zipper compartment that just overlaps. So this is a perfect place to keep paperwork, important papers, and things like that, or anything else that you can think of that's kind of flat. Because this is going against your back, I would suggest anything flat or soft. So like a change pad and things like that would fit in the larger pocket nicely. So that is the outside of the bag, but there's one more feature that I just think is very important when you own a leather bag like this. This is a very, very nice bag. And the last thing you want to do is put it on the floor and not have it be safe from the ground. So that is why I find these very important, these little feet. They keep your bag off the ground and keep it nice and clean. So definitely love that feature. So let's go ahead and start unpacking this bag before we jump onto the inside. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start with the back first. So let's go back here. I actually put something back here, believe it or not. Normally I wouldn't put anything back here, but because my kids have just started school and there's been a lot of doctor's appointments and things like that, I've needed to keep some paperwork on me. So I have some paperwork back here from, I think, our last trip to my son's pre-K. So I have some paperwork in there for that. And that's all that I had in there, but I did want to show you guys, this is a nice deep pocket. I'll show you guys on my arm here. My arm goes a little bit past my wrist here, halfway up my arm, and it goes all the way down here. So this is a very nice open pocket, as I mentioned. Perfect place to keep your change pad in here. Now on the other side in this smaller pocket, I don't have anything in here today, but this is another great place to keep like your passport or a wallet. If you don't want to have your wallet on the front or inside of the bag, this is a great place to keep that. So that is a nice sized pocket as well. One thing you'll notice about this bag is that you have these beautiful leather zipper pulls, and each of them has the KeriKit logo on them. So I really like that little detail. So that is the back of the bag. Let's go through these pockets on the side. As I mentioned, these are not the tallest pockets, but they're a great place to store small set pieces and things like that if you don't intend to use this as a diaper bag. If you wanted to use it as a diaper bag, all you do is unzip these all the way. You could put two bottles side by side in here if you wanted to. As you can see, I have my son's cup of water. This is a decently sized cup and it fit in here with plenty of room. So that's why you want to make sure if you are using it this way that you zip up around the bottle so that it can't move. But this way I can actually still grab it in and out if I need to. So that is what I had in this pocket. And as I mentioned before, these are insulated, so perfect place to keep baby bottles. So that's all I had in this one. On the other side here, I actually have my phone because I like to keep my phone in the left pocket of my bag just in case I need to access it when I'm in the car or something for directions. It's just easy access for me to get to it. So this is an iPhone 11 Max Pro. This is a good size phone. This fits in here just right, so I can just zip right over it like that. So perfect pocket for that. That's all I had in that one. Let's move on to the very front pocket here. So this is the front pocket of the bag. As you can see, you have your double zipper opening. So go ahead and do that. You may notice that the zippers on this bag are very smooth. I love smooth zippers. There's nothing that's like a little bit more annoying than having a bag that has the zippers catch. And so having a bag that has very smooth zippers is just really satisfying to open. So let's go ahead and jump in here. So this is how I have my pocket set up. I have a jujube small set piece in the Stay Salty print. In here I just have some things for myself. So I have a chapstick, lip gloss, a mirror, hand cream, and a folded hairbrush down in there. So just some things that I need for myself when I'm out and about. I tend to grab this pretty often just to access my chapstick. You'll also notice right here, you have this great little card slot holder. So you can put your credit cards and your cash back in here. It can hold 4 credit cards if you need it to. Now, me personally, I like to have everything in an actual wallet so that I can change my bags out faster. But if you wanted to keep your bag even more minimalistic, this is a great place to keep your cards and things. Over here I have my tissues. We have all been getting over some really awful cold in this house, and I've needed lots of tissues on hand. You may even notice that my voice doesn't sound quite normal yet because I'm still getting over this thing, but we are on the mend, so yay. You also have one more pocket in the very front here. It has elastic in it. And in here I just have our masks. I have one for my 4-year-old and one for me. So that's all that I had in this pocket. And as you can see, you have this gorgeous gold lining. It's like a champagne gold and it's embossed. So this is actually KeriKit's signature waterproof jacquard lining. So that's perfect for use with babies. As we all know, babies make messes all the time. So having something, even with a leather bag, if you have waterproof lining, it makes it so much easier to clean. So I love that feature, but that is your front pocket. It's very pretty. Let's go ahead and jump onto the main compartment. So here we are on the main compartment of this bag. Let's go ahead and open it. As I've mentioned like a few times in this video already, I just love the way this bag packs, and the flap doesn't bother me at all. For me, I just push it back like that, and I'm easily able to access all of my things on the inside. So this is what it looks like from the top. I love that I can basically see everything that I need right up front. And as you can see, I've packed vertically, so it's just easy to grab whatever I need in and out. I think I'm going to go ahead and remove a few things first just so you guys can see the inside of the bag without everything in it, and I'll talk about those pieces a little bit more in detail once I pull some stuff out. So in the very front here I have my jujube large set piece in the Stay Salty print. In here I have a change of clothes for my son, so I have some shorts in there. I have a t-shirt, and I have some underwear for him. That's all I had in my large set piece. Right behind that, standing straight up and down, I have the medium Sullivan case from KeriKit. I really love these cases. They're a black nylon with a clear front, so you can easily see what's inside of here. In here I just have some wipes in the very front here. This is a Wipe Pouch 30 that holds all of my wipes. And then behind that I have this little case that actually comes with this bag. But because the material is a waterproof material, it would make a fabulous wet bag. So that's what I have it in this bag as, is a wet bag, and I folded it in half. It has a zipper. It's just the perfect size for holding wet clothes, bibs, dropped passies, like so many different things that you can use a wet bag for. So you'll also notice on the inside of this bag that you have this key leash. So I have my keys clipped to that. It's just in the perfect spot. In some bags you may find that this actually pulls down on a bag, but because the KeriKit Amber Midi is so structurally strong on top here, my keys didn't weigh it down. And these are not lightweight, like these are a heavy pair of keys. So I'm really happy to see that this is in such a great location up there. In the very back here, I have my planner. This is a mini happy planner. So if I'm out and about and I need to write something down, I have my planner on hand. If I need to check on appointments and things, I've had like so many appointments recently. It's hard to keep up with them all. So this back pocket here is actually a padded pocket. It's a tech pocket. So you can actually put a laptop that is up to 10 inches long in this pocket. It also has a button so you can secure it. To me, this is the perfect pocket to hold an iPad or a Kindle Fire, things like that. In fact, I have put my son's Kindle Fire in this bag and it fits perfectly even with the way I currently had it packed up. I actually have space for it even so. So it's roomier than you think. So I really like that. So you have that back pocket there. You also have this great leather trimmed pocket here. So let's go ahead and open that. In there, I just have a pill case with some Advil and some allergy medicine. And I also have a pen. So I have my pen down in there for my planner. That's all that I had in that pocket there, but it's a good sized little pocket. Now that we have this empty a little bit, I want to show you guys a little bit more what it looks like in there. You have two insulated pockets in here. You have one on each side of the bag, one over there, and one over there. As you can see, I have my jujube medium set piece standing straight up and down in this bag. I have no trouble putting this in or taking it out of this pocket. It is just the perfect size for this. I love it. So in here I have some snacks for me and my son. On top, I have a Kind bar for me. Love those ones. For my son, I have an applesauce, some yogurt raisins, and I have a Z-bar for him. But as I mentioned, those pockets are insulated, so if you had anything cold you wanted to keep cool, or if you have baby bottles, this bag can actually hold up to 6 baby bottles if you needed it to. So I love that. And those pockets are elastic as well, so it's just really easy to access everything in this bag. On the front here, hopefully you guys can see this okay, on the other side of the front pocket here, you have 2 smaller elastic pockets. So in this one over here, I actually have my wallet, and this is the Jujube coffee break wallet. I am obsessed, I love it. Perfect for minimalists. And on the other pocket, I have my son's iPod, and this just has educational games and things like that on there, so it'll keep him busy when I'm out and about. So that is the Amber Midi backpack, you guys. I absolutely love it. I think it's adorable. It's super functional. It holds everything I need. I just love it. And I would love to hear what you guys think. What is your favorite feature on the Amber Midi backpack? Also, if you guys want to shop KeriKit with me, I would love that. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you. You can shop through that anytime. They have lots of different styles to choose from on their website. They have the Amber Midi backpack. They have the Amber large backpack. Some other style backpacks. They also have sling type of bags. It's just, they have so much to choose from. And if they're all as nice as this, I definitely would recommend them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.